All right, hear me out. If your life is a complete mess right now and you feel like you're just stuck in this rut of like mediocrity, I'm going to tell you something that's going to rattle quite a lot of people, but you're exactly 26 days away from transforming your entire life. Not 30 days, not 21 days, but exactly 26 days. And I know this because one, I've experienced it, and two, I've seen it work, and three, science actually backs this up. Look, I'm 23 years old. I made my first $1 million when I was 18. Now I make over $10 million a year. But let me tell you something. I didn't get here by accident, and I didn't get here by following some BS advice that everybody else was teaching. Instead, I got here because I understood that everything in life is an exact formula. For an example, 1 + 1 always equals 2. It doesn't matter what dimension you're in. It doesn't matter what galaxy you're in. 1 + 1 absolutely always equals 2. Now, to put that into bigger perspective, if I spend less money than I make every month, I save money. If I spend more money than I make every month, then I lose money. If I eat less calories than my body's mass index, then I lose weight. If I eat more calories, I gain weight. Every single thing in life has an exact formula. And the formula for uneffing your life, that takes exactly 26 days. That's how long it takes for your brain to completely rewire itself and adopt new habits that actually become automatic. Not those quick habits that make you feel good kind of temporarily, but the habits that actually change your life permanently. In the next 20 minutes, I'm going to break down the exact day-by-day system that took me from living in a $700 apartment to where I am today. And in case you're thinking this is some kind of motivational video, I can promise you it's not. This is a actual step-by-step breakdown of how to rebuild your entire life from the ground up. Now, week 1 is going to look something like this. What I want you to do is I want you to substitute all of your distractions with a very simple single thing, and it is learning. Okay, learning whatever it is that you wish to become awesome at, whether this is making money online, and if that's the case, I have a link in the description that is going to take you to a video where I break down all of the modern ways to make money, and then I identify which one of all of these ways to make money is the absolute best so that you have a guideline on exactly how to make money online. Whether this is just the fact that you want to learn internet marketing, or let's say you want to get fit, so you learn training and nutrition. If you wish to develop a business, then you need to start learning from successful business people. And the reward here is straightforward. By the end of week 1, your head is going to be clearer than it has ever been in years because you've just simply eliminated all of the noise. Now, week number 2 is going to be dedicated to applying what you've learned. Week number 2 is where a majority of people break down because they just simply believe that learning is enough and it's sufficient. Honestly, it's not. And knowledge without actual implementation is merely entertainment. And this is where you begin to actually implement everything that you've learned during week 1. Not flawlessly, not with all of the answers, but you begin. I have seriously attempted everything, whether that's e-commerce, stocks, crypto, affiliate marketing, you name it. Most of them didn't work, but here's what I discovered. Failing is exciting because it removes the things that just simply didn't work. All right, let me tell you a little story. There was one time that I had $10,000 saved up, and I thought it was going to be a good idea to run call options on an Amazon earnings, right? This is stock trading stuff. It was every single dollar that I had ever saved. The stock plummeted. I had lost every single dollar that I have ever made. Okay, now, within that month, I still needed to pay rent, and I didn't have anything in savings. But you know what? I learned something. I learned that, quite frankly, every single time that I'm going to get into any business, I am going to have failures, okay? Failure is not an antonym of success. As a matter of fact, it is a part of success. Most people are so scared of failing that they won't even begin, okay? They won't even start. Failure, though, is actually just information. It's data. It's letting you know why something doesn't work, or at least letting you know something that doesn't work. And then this, furthermore, allows you to discover exactly what does work. And then the payoff, by the end of week 2, you're going to have some practical experience rather than just theoretical know-hows. Once week 3 starts coming in, I want you to start thinking about building systems instead of tasks. Now, here's where all of this shifts. Week 3 is where you're going to stop thinking in terms of tasks and start thinking in terms of actual systems. Most people think I need to make $1,000, and honestly, that is tasks thinking, okay? Instead, it's I need to build a system that is going to generate me $1,000 repeatedly without my constant input. Now, let me kind of illustrate an example, from my own life. I could sit here and personally handcraft one YouTube video per week, okay? Now, that's task thinking. Or I could leverage AI to bulk produce content, auto-generate scripts, produce video overlays, and produce visuals while I sleep. And that right there is systems thinking. The distinction is absolutely massive. With task thinking, I'm constrained by my own time, but with system thinking, I'm constrained by my creativity. Now, when you create systems that don't quit operating, you're talking 1, 2, 5, 10, 15-year runaways of money being generated. Seriously, in week number 3, I want you to look back at week number 1 and week number 2, and you're gonna look at everything repetitive that you've been doing and say, how can I systemize this? How can I get this to run without me? And the payoff, at the conclusion of week number 3, you're gonna have systems that are actually working for you rather than working for the systems. And then this is where we're going to lead into week number 4, and this is the decision point. Week number 4 is the most significant week of your entire life. This is where you're going to reflect on yourself and just about everything that has happened in the past 26 days. You're going to look back at the individual that you were 26 days ago and that person who was distracted, unfocused, making excuses, living in mediocrity, and you're going to compare that to who you are today. Somebody who has discipline, who has systems, who has clarity and momentum. Now, you're going to have to make a choice, the biggest choice of your life, and this is, are you going to revert to the way that you used to be, or are you going to stay on this new path? And here's what I know from experience. Once you get a taste of what it's like to have your life together, once you get a taste of what it's like to have systems working for you, once you get the feeling of progress, you absolutely never want to go back. I recall the precise moment when I knew that I had transformed. I was in my office and became aware that I was just no longer doing this because of motivation. I was doing this because of true inspiration. I was doing this because I had reprogrammed my mind to simply think this way. There were no longer things that I needed to force myself to do. These were things that I just simply did. And the payoff, well, by the conclusion of week number 4, you will have made the choice that shapes the remainder of your entire life. And now you have a non-negotiable daily action, okay? For all 26 days, there is something you're going to have to do every single day, regardless of how you feel. And that, my friend, is you are going to go to the gym. I know this is not necessarily the response that you want to hear, but going to the gym every single day, regardless of how you feel, is a way to entirely rewire the way that your brain thinks, right? It makes you more disciplined and committed to just something irrespective of feelings that are associated with it. Honestly, we know that the gym is a drag, but that's like the exact point. The gym is a drag, but you do it anyway. Work is dull and sometimes sucks, but you do it anyway. Life is going to toss crap at you that just simply sucks, right? But this is the point. Regardless of what life throws at you, regardless of the feelings that you have that are associated with it or attached to it, you're going to do what you need to do anyway, because consistency yields results, systems yield results, but no sporadic motivation has ever produced any actual results. Now, I understand that the reality is ever so slightly harsh, but here's what's going to happen if you don't do this. If you decide that this is just not for you, well, you're going to be in the same place 26 days from now, wondering why things just never change for you. You're going to continue to make excuses, you're going to continue to get distracted, and you're going to continue to live in mediocrity. But if you do this, and you decide that you're going to commit to these 26 days, you're going to look back a year from now and understand that this was the time that it just simply all turned around. This was the time that you ceased to be a victim of your circumstances and actually began to be the architect of your own life. I've watched it occur. I've received messages from people stating like, day 21 of uneffing my life. I'm sleeping better, procrastinating less. I, have more time for coding, reading, calisthenics. I feel fresher, more focused, more confident. This can be you, but only if you decide to actually begin today. Look, what I need you to understand is that everything that we just talked about in this video is absolutely and utterly completely useless if you do not understand the foundational principle behind all of this, and that is luck does not exist. Every single thing in this life is your fault, and you need to be 100% utmost self-accountable for everything that happens. Your input equals your output. 1 + 1 always equals 2, no matter where we are. Every single thing in life, your level of success, your level of strength, your level of mental clarity is all based on a formula. Now, the decision is yours. I'm going to leave it with this. 26 days from now, you could be the same person sitting and watching the same videos, or you could be somebody who actually got out and transformed their life. Other than that, what's it going to be?